Alright guys, and welcome back to the garage. Previous video I was going to replace my cabin air filter. I saw a few things about this. I was trying to figure out where it was exactly. Car has been smelling a little bit. Usually it's in the glove box, but I didn't see it in there, so I decided to look it up, and sure enough, it's super easy. It's literally right there. So I just went to O'Reilly's, got a new cabin air filter. Super simple. It's freaking 22 bucks. You can get it at O'Reilly's pretty cheap. And then you can get it out. This is all it is, right? It's just your standard filter. Like if you have a normal car that doesn't have this type of intake, this is what it would look like. Same thing, vice versa. It's Larry. So we're gonna go ahead and just pop off these tabs, because there's one tab here and then one tab here, and then it should just come right out like so, and it comes off. Voila. And that looks dirty. Mind you, this is a 2010. I got this car, if I'm not mistaken, in 2022, almost 2023, and I have not touched it nor decided to look at it. So we're gonna look at this for the first time, and just by looking at it right now, it looks freaking gross. So let's go ahead and pull this guy out. Hopefully there's no spider that's gonna bite me. And holy crap.
Brother,
so this is what's filtering out the outside air coming into your cabin. Brother? And that is gross. Holy crap. Look at that. That is disgusting. You can barely see through it. But yeah, I'm glad I did this. I'm glad I looked this up, because that is freaking gross. So you can compare from the new one. That's what it should look like. It's a little bit wider that I'm looking at it, but it was scrunching. So that the old one compared to the new one. You decide which one you want for your car, because I'm going with this guy. Ew. I'll do that later. Airflow. All right, guys, and here is the filter. Like I was saying, before the video cut out on me, all this crud in here. I'm just show you how much is actually in this guy. This is some leftover when I dropped it, but I'll show you everything that's actually in here. It's freaking disgusting. All that, it's not even everything, was in the filter, which is gross. That's your cabin air filter, which filters out outside to the inside of your cabin and your vehicle. That is gross. Now, if you want stuff like that, go for it, but don't forget to change that out. Typically, whenever you do your oil change, you can do that. Sometimes it's in your glove box, sometimes it's in the outside area of your engine bay and the glove box area. So, I mean, just go ahead and swap that out. It's real cheap, not too expensive. But yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you. Interesting. Not really sure how that guy was supposed to be. I mean, I pulled it out this way. So, I would assume the same way, right? Yeah, because this way is... I would assume this way, because the letters are facing this way. So, we're going to hope for the best. Oh, God, it's gross. I'm going to put it in this way. Airflow coming up this way into the cabin. That makes sense.
Woohoo! I'm a college man. I won't need my high school diploma anymore. I am too smart. I am too smart. I am too smart. I am too smart. S-M-R-T. I mean S-M-A-R-R-T.
Actually, yeah, that should be fine. Put this guy up in here. If she fits. Does she not fit? No. Yeah, she fits. It's just a little tab that's in the way. Stop fighting me. Wow, that's tight up in there. Alright, we're having some technical difficulties. Hold on. Can't get even a filter? Come on, man. It's just air filter. Alright, she's bent up in there. I'm gonna take this out. Will probably be easier if I took out the damn battery, but I don't want to do that. I don't got time for that. I'm gonna stuff her back in. Hopefully she goes in a whole lot smoother. She's getting caught on something. Come on, there you go. Be nice to me. There you go, Junior. So I was able to get this guy back on there. Same thing, just gonna put this guy back on, put those clamps over it, and that's it. So let's do that real quick before my camera dies. Put this guy back on. Gonna basically come over here. Nice and sealed up. Alright guys, sorry my battery died again. But like I was saying, it's just this tab you close, and then this tab over here, right here, this guy, not too sure if you can see that. But you just close that. Let me get a flashlight so y'all can see this. This guy. Yeah, so it's just that tab right there, this tab right here. All you gotta do is just flip this guy like that. All it does is just flip up, flip down. But that's about it. It creates the seal, it's all good to go. You missed one. And one right there, so there should be 3. 1, 2, 3, perfect. Yeah, just had my baby, so I'm excited about that. Still trying to do these videos. Just went to a car meet yesterday night. That was fun. Yeah, if you want to see more stuff, let me know. If you like this stuff, please leave a like. Also, please subscribe. Helps out a lot. But thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Have a good day. Bye.